Hello everyone, let's get started with the new stuff. Today we're gonna discuss why we use pressure cookers instead of conventional method of cooking. Let's get to know some important terms. Boiling point. Boiling point of a substance is a temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid equals the pressure surrounding the liquid. Vapor pressure. Vapor pressure is the pressure caused by the evaporation of liquids. We can think of atmospheric pressure as the collisions of air molecules against the surface of the water. The more the collisions, the greater the pressure. But water molecules can create pressure when they leave the liquid. Some of the faster moving water molecules escape, they collide with the molecules of air. This creates pressure and we call it vapor pressure. Some points of vapor pressure. Vapor pressure is dependent on temperature because to have high vapor pressure, more number of molecules to be escaped from the liquid surface, and for that you need very high energy. And also it is dependent on intermolecular forces. More the intermolecular force, less the vapor pressure. Imagine atmospheric pressure as pressurizing the water molecules and not allowing them to spread and form a bubble. And now when you increase the vapor pressure, some of the water molecules collide with the air molecules and reduce the atmospheric pressure felt by the water molecules in liquid state. As vapor pressure increases, the water molecules will spread and form a bubble and will rise up. Boiling happens when atmospheric pressure equal to vapor pressure. Conclusion: if the atmospheric pressure is low, then the boiling point will be low. If the atmospheric pressure is high, then the boiling point will be high. Working of pressure cooker: provide some heat to the pot. Steam develops in the pot and can't escape. The trapped steam increases the atmospheric pressure inside the pot. At that pressure, the boiling point of water is increased. This high temperature is what cooks food faster. Small pills. Why it is difficult to cook in hilly areas? Coming to the answer, as the atmospheric pressure is low in the hilly areas, the water boils at lower temperature and the food will be partially cooked. Safety measures in a pressure cooker. If the pressure regulator starts malfunctioning, there will be building up of the pressure inside the cooker. To remove it, safety valve is designed so that it will melt and remove the excessive pressure.